Hi, welcome to this YouTube channel. Today I'm going to do a exhaust repair patch. I bought these two products. This tailpipe. It's basically a clamp. Before I put that on, I'm going to go ahead and put this shrinking tape on. It's like a sticky heat sealing tape. So I'll do that, and then I'll put the clamp over top. Right now there's a leak about right here. That's the sound it makes there. It's not real great. Going down the road, it's not real fun. It's one thing to have some glass packs or something. Another thing to just have a nasty sounding muffler. Now, I had thought about doing a straight pipe on it and getting like a cherry bomb or something, but honestly, this car is kind of old and I'm not real keen on spending a lot of money on it. It's really just a tractor. I pretty much use it like a tractor. So there's two sides of this. There's tape there, and then there's also plastic. And I've read a few reviews of people that have used it, and they said to be sure to take both sides off because that would be pretty detrimental to it working or not. And it feels kind of plasticky. So this side actually needs to come up a little bit. So I'm just going to pull all that stuff off now, so it's all ready. There you go. So I wrapped it around till it was up to the level of the other area. Now it doesn't really stick, so that's a little inconvenient. I have to hold it with my hand and open this other box. It's quite a challenge. Okay, it's holding. So I have my hand back. I'll put this guy on there. So you want to put it on like this. Actually not in a very good position to do this. I had this jacked up the other day and I took it down. Now it's on ice, so If you can do this on ice, you're good, I suppose. One-handed. Oh. Alright, that's not working. Alright, so this video is going to need to be edited. That's for sure. I think having two hands is pretty helpful. Not putting the camera right where you're working. It's not always an option, I suppose. Alright, I'm going to move this. Well, if this is unedited, sorry for having you wait. It's a pain if you don't have it jacked up. I had it jacked up the other day to do some work to it. I did the gas lines, and I'll have a video of that soon if it's not up already. Actually, as soon as this, I can't jack it up to finish the video because the ice, it doesn't like the jack. So I'm not going to tighten this too much because I don't want it to strip. And I got that tape, and I trust the tape's going to do something. So maybe another half turn. Right there is good. I'll give you your view back. See how it sounds? So it's still not the best sounding truck, but it's a heck of a lot better than it was. And keep in mind here, I have this flex pipe right here. And I could actually wrap that, I'm thinking, and it might quiet that down, because the flex pipes, they're actually a little bit loud by themselves. They're still thin walled, and they rust away in a year. So, but you know, when the guy at the muffler shop won't work on it, and it's just your truck that you use for a tractor, this may work for you. So, it gives you a visual if you're looking at those products.